In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Grok AI. If you've just started using Grok AI or you're setting it up for someone else, switching the interface to your preferred language makes everything clearer and more comfortable. I'll walk you through the process on both the website and the mobile app, and I'll share a few quick tips to make sure the change sticks. First, open Grok AI. If you're on a computer, head to the official Grok AI website in your browser. If you're on a phone or tablet, launch the Grok AI app from your home screen. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if prompted, sign in so you can access your account settings. Next, open Settings. Look for your profile or settings icon. This is usually found in the top corner of the screen on desktop, and in the bottom navigation or a menu drawer on mobile. Tap or click it to open your account menu. If you don't see settings right away, check for a gear icon or an account option. Both typically lead to the same place. Inside Settings, find Language. This option may be labeled Language, App Language, or Display Language, and it's often grouped under General, Preferences, or Accessibility. Take a moment to scan the sections. On mobile, you may need to scroll. Select your preferred language from the list. The languages are usually listed alphabetically, and some apps may show a search bar at the top. When you pick a language, the preview text may change to show how it will look. If you see multiple regional variants, such as English, United States, or English, United Kingdom, choose the one that best fits your spelling and formatting preferences. By the way, if you need quick access, I've placed the official Grok AI website link and the mobile app download link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct place fast and safely. Finally, save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Confirm button. In some cases, the change applies instantly. In others, you might be asked to confirm or restart the app. If the interface doesn't switch right away, close and reopen the app or refresh your browser tab. After saving, skim a few menus to be sure the new language appears across the interface. If the language you want isn't available, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, or try switching on a different device or browser. That's how you change the language in Grok AI quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.